Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can get free coins on AliExpress so that you can use these coins as a discount for buying any product. So for that, in order to get free coins, just open your AliExpress account on your mobile phone. When you click on this, you can see at the top there option called coins option and they're written as a plus 20. Click on this coins option. When you click on this, here you will get an option to collect coins. Here you can see at day 1 you can collect 20 coins. So if you want to add more, if you want to get more coins, you have to come another day, and another day you can get 30 coins. In this way you can get free coins. If you don't see this coins option here, just go to your account option, and in account option here you can see there is also coins option, get more coins. Click on this coins. When you click on this, now again you can see there is an option to collect coins. I will click on collect. When I click on collect, the coins will be collected. So I will click on collect, and here you can see the coin has been collected. Now I have 20 coins. So this is the way you can, here you can see at the top there written as now 20 coins, PKR 56 rupees. So here you can, in this way you can get multiple coins.